a content.
Yeah, they can question it. People question everything that I do, but I mean, it's just whatever.
Yes.
No matter what I do, people. Yeah, but I can just like set the agenda for people to talk about a particular topic or issue. I don't have any control over what it is that they say.
Yes.
So me I say, so if me tell you say I saw this go, and you're gonna say no, I don't saw it go, then whatever. Live with whatever it is that you believe.
All right. Here.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them love.
And you don't know a thing said. Yeah, man, one Media Fox. So people, we don't know a thing said, but you see me, you don't know class in session in the morning, you see me? So basically, you know, regular people that type in a Google and type the capacity of Barclays Center, you see me? And it would have said 17,300 for the basketball, basically, and 19,000 would that be for people for the concert. So a lot of people would look at that now and say, oh, okay, 19,000 people in the Barclays. See? But I make CJ Millan explain it to you. You understand? So basically, what she said only 360 stage, in which me I go show you down in the video, can sell out the 19K or 20K, right? And people, go get your tickets. You see me? Tomorrow, nah go out. It's not gonna normal. Vendetta people are gonna roll out. It's gonna be a massive show. You understand? Yeah. You don't know anything, so I really watch your haters. You see it. But she said only a few artists do that. Seeing? I think Drake did in a Barclays. A lot of artists in a Barclays. So them, you know, a big artist, them do 360. Then she said people Google and see that's the concert capacity and think that's the number. And it's not. So basically she has said the people them go Google the 19K and think say that in there for the Reggae Fest show, which is not. So basically she threw, I think she sent me a picture. You understand how a 360 stage look. You see it? But I'm going to show you in a different way. You see me? But after that, she said, now for the standard concert setup, right? Which we use, like she say, 90% of the artists use. Your capacity, which she say, other promoters might use different. You see me? Because I don't know a lot of promoters use Barclays Center. So I say, basically she say, for them capacity can be like 10K and you can be sold out. You see me? Based on where them know them a pull. Yeah, and then them say every promoter is different. So different promoters set up the arena different ways to accommodate the different capacity. Right? But she said now 13K is the highest you can go. But if you adjust the staging size and add more chairs, seeing, on the floor. Yeah, so I guess sometimes some people stand up and some can, you know, certain chairs can, you know, yeah, you will get more people and go around the stage. You see it. And then you say you can add more seating that can take you to around 15K or maybe even more. It depends. So it's not a must. So you don't put it as a standard, say, all right, 15K then. Maybe go over a little bit. You understand? Maybe 15K 50 or 15K 100. You see me? Yeah, it depends. But it's not 19K. See? So that's what CJ Millan say. See? Alright now. So basically, this is basically an autograph. Like a little design 3D thing. How a 3D stage that look in the Barclays. You see me? So basically you don't know, you see the seat in them, everything, and see the staging and the middle. So you see me? But you have different designing and staging and everything. You see me? Sometimes you can way up. You see me? Tall up and yeah. You see, so in this setting up, yeah, you would get like 19K to 200 to 20,000K. You see me? In the arena. If it's set up like this. See? So look here now. So basically, this is in a Barclays. You don't know Reggae Fest, right? Wait there, let me put it on the pencil. Make you see what I go on. You see it. So basically, this is in a Barclays. See the stage in the right there, so? Right here, so you see me draw the line here? This is like where the man them will control the light effect. You understand? And see the seating, yeah. Seating them the right round, so. Seeing? And then now, you see where you see the straight line, yeah? This are where the ball court there. You see it? Go right out to the staging. You see me? Yeah. So the 15K would have the right, there's a flush where you see the arch, like a little arch right there. So you see me? Yeah. You see it? So basically, I saw it would have set up because you don't know Reggae Fest, them set it up different. You see it? So alright, I'm gonna show you the diagram now. So look at now, people. So basically, this is how the concert, the Reggae Fest would have set up. Seeing? This is how it would have set up. So basically, you don't know, you have, you see the seating them in a blue. Seeing? So right here, so you have the man them, where you see the yellow line, you have the man them set up, if it will control the light effect on the stage, and you don't know the stage right here, so where you see the black thing, you see it. So, where you see here, so, where them would have used. Like, where you see that line right here, so, right there, so. This is where them would have used most of the times. But you don't know Alkaline one. If you go up on the map, you will see some ticket where you see the yellow, me I put the yellow dot them around here, so. You see me? Yeah. But where you see the yellow line, yeah, this would have be the average. You see me? And then now, because if you realize, where you see the yellow line is a cut off. Remember, you know, them now use the whole arena. You see where you see the white spot, where you see the line cut, it kind of cut like quarterly. You see me? The arena cut quarterly right there, so. You see it? So, if I did the 360 stage now, the stage that there right here, you see me, I do that right here, so in a middle, and then right round here, so now would have all of the people them. So that would have been the 19K. But no, see me? The Reggae Fest now only use where you see the blue spot them, where match up with the yellow line we go across. So it cut off a certain amount of seats and the accommodation run at the back of the stage. So it would have cut off about, say like about 4K. You see me? It would have run off to about 15. And based on how you set up the chairs them and so, you can get a little more people. Not much, you see me? Yeah, so I saw it set up. I saw the arena set up. Basically, this are the concert seating chart. You see me? Because a lot of people pull up the Google. Because how Google works, you know. Concert, regularly, they would have the concert. They say, all right, the 360 way, that them measure it off, I know. Is not how Reggae Fest do it. So when you put in Google and say, all right, need the capacity for concert in Barclays, it will only give the figure for the 360 stage, which you're going to use the whole arena. That's what them are going to show you. You understand? But them now going to show you like the setup where CJ Millan would have do with the stage there right there, so. You see me? Let me show you. Where you see the black. Where you see the black spot right there, so. Black stage, that circle here, right there, so. Yeah. Google now go tell you. Google now go give you the amount where CJ Millan would have use. You see me? It'll give you like where some big artists like Drake and Jay-Z them a go. And them have the stage in the middle. So you know, say people are go down on the floor like right around the stage. Plus the people them are there where you see that yellow line where me and mark around here, so would have full up with that blue there. You understand? So that would have be the 19K to 20K. Seeing? Yeah, based on that design, but another design there CJ Millan do for the Reggae Fest. She do the one where you see now with the blue them there. So you'd have cut off like about, as me say, 4,000 people. You see me? It'll work out to about 15. As though she has said me I show you in the DM. You understand? Yeah, it's just a simple thing, people. You know, a lot of people kind of misunderstand the thing because Google. Because you don't know, people are going to say, oh yeah, try to say, yo, Google tell lie. I like Google I tell. You see me? But Google now go tell you the accurate thing for every settings in the Barclays. It'll only give you the standard one, which is the 19K, but it's a different setup than where CJ Millan would have do. Because The 19K is for this 360 setup, which the whole arena would have blue, and you see the circle would represent the stage in the middle. You understand? I saw that one they look. So basically, let me show you what I talk about. So these are the basically ones. So see the stage right there, so yeah, and all around the arena. Yeah. You see me? Right where you see right here, so now where you see that little stage over here right here, so one little that would have be the like maybe the DJs them set up them thing and who control the lighting for the stage. Yeah, that a fit them spot right up there, so. You see me? So people, when you see the ground you know, people down there, so. You see me? And then when you see the blue, look cheer them. Everywhere you see the cheer them, you don't know. And that's how the people them would have stay. You see it? Yeah, that's how the thing work, people. You see me? So, see a bag of thing I go on the internet. You see me? A bag of thing I go on the internet right now, and it's just simple understanding. Yeah, and sometimes you have to just shake your head because, you know, people might see things and misunderstand it and understand the situation. You see me? Yeah. So I just saw the thing said. So basically, where you see the FL, where you see the FL8 right here, so and they saw the light man them would have there. You see me? They would have set up a little stage here, so. And you don't know upon the stage you have a DJ them. And then you don't know where you see F1, 2, FL21. Yeah, people would have there, so. But it depends on how them set up the cheer them and the amount of cheer them. You see it? And maybe when you see, you know, sometime, you know, them all do them things. CJ Millan do them things for try get the amount of tickets same way. You see it? And you don't know all our nosebleed, all of them look a thing, the lounge, it's at the walkway, the lower walkway, all of them look a thing there. But with Alkaline one now, some tickets sell round at the back here, so where you see 203, 204, you see 102, yeah, round them side there. You see me? Yeah, because seat and certain spot they're the same way. But it's just that, you know, CJ Millan them they use that setting up there. You see it? They only use them type of setup here. You see me? Yeah, man. So a lot of misinformation them are doing, them just not understand the situation. You see it? Yeah. But as me say, what Alkaline I do is a great move. Because this are the thing, you know, people. Remember, say, Barclays Center be like, what do I call it? A 2012 Barclays Center develop, you know. Barclays Center develop a year before Alkaline getting break, like, because about around 2013, Alkaline getting break. And like, what? Basically 11 years after, the youth are sell out Barclays. You see me? And you have to congratulate the youth for that. You see me? Yeah, at least he might do that in a short space of time. This a fee success, you see me, where, yeah, him achieve it. Because I think I see one picture when him there, front of the Barclays, and see the youth, you know, put in the work and do him thing, and see him sell out Barclays now. You see it? Yeah, man. So, this is like a chart, you know, like an example, you know, for show you how the setup is. So, you can see, say, the part of them where you see grey, all of them tickets they would have say, yo, gone like the cheers for use the whole 360 arena. You understand? So that cut down some of the tickets them, so it wouldn't be 19K. You see me? Yeah, it wouldn't be 19K. You see it? But two people hear it's a concert, but them not understand, say, yo, that is when you're using a stage in the middle of the basketball court. You see me? When so comes, because enough people, where bag of people are go, like behind, like imagine people they are 201 and 231 and people there, so how them are go see what go on? Them are feel left out. You see me? So it no make no sense. So them have to cut off the whole of the back and them look a thing there, but you see Alkaline, them, I don't know, some ticket around at the back, like around there, so 204 and 100 and something and thing, you know. Them open some seats around there. You see, but the way how the stage set still, I don't know. We have to see what go and set the people. As me say, I just make the people them understand how the arena thing work. Based on how them place the tickets and the amount of tickets, the arena, you see me? Not the capacity where you Google. You see it. So basically, I don't know, I guess, because remember, say, people still can step on the stage, you know, because imagine when Alkaline perform and then he maybe turn him back or run go back to the stage. I guess some of the people them still can see him around some part of the area, yeah, so. Because you don't know the arena thing kind of, the back, kind of have a little height where you can see the artist maybe, you see me, based on the height. You see it, but as I say, people, I say things set, you see me? The bag of thing when in the media, it no make no sense. You see it? It don't make no sense, people. Yeah, man. It don't make no sense. So, all of the people have to just understand the thing. And just congratulate the youth. You see me? Him is a part of dancehall. Him represent dancehall. You don't know. People internationally are going to come forward, come see him. So, him still represent for dancehall, you know? You have to just happy for everybody and what everybody I do. You see me? You can't just happy for what one person I do. You see me? Because we need a lot of artists for do them big moves, yeah. You see me? So, yeah, so the culture can, yeah, look within upon a bigger scale. You see me? Because look, imagine every artist can, you know, do what them can do in a Barclays. Yeah, and people come see them and, you know, do them thing. Anything possible. You see it, so. But at this moment, you know, Alkaline young, like, in my youngest fear do them thing. You see it as he at fame age, you know. He might do it. As me say, Barclays, you see me? After Barclays, 1 year after Barclays make Alkaline get him break. You see it? And in a decade time, yeah, he must sell it out. It's a great look for the youth. Show us him put in the work. You see me? And a fame legacy, fame destiny, one representation of dancehall. You see it? So, I don't know what the problem. You see it? I don't know what the problem. I don't know why when Alkaline do something great, it have to cause a problem. You see it? I don't know. But as me say, people, don't have to do. You don't know. You have to just stay safe out there as well, you know, people. You see me? When I got the show, take on the time, drive. You see me? Just stay safe out there. You see me? Yeah, I don't want everybody get the time for go. But them I go watch and see what going to happen at the Barclays Saturday. You see me? I think the show starts 7 o'clock, I think. 7 p.m. So, we'll see what go on. But big up to the artists. You see me? Young and him do it. Yeah. You see me? And him lead out the young generation. You see it? So, I have to congratulate the youth for that and put in the work. You see me? Yeah. And him do this by himself too. I look a young youth. You see it? Yeah. So, people, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man, just respect for tuning in. You know, just understanding how show business work and, you know, how capacity different by different, setting up a stage and all these things. You see me? So, big up on yourself, respect for the support. You don't know. One Media Facts, that is it.